Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be looking at ZSH. It's one of the command line interpreters that Linux has. It's one of them that I like actually. There's others out there also, but this is one of them that I like. So let's take a look here. Now on here it says that ZSH or Z shell is a Unix shell that can be used as an interactive login shell and as a command line or command interpreter for shell scripting. And it's customizable also. That's one of the things I like. Okay, let's take a look here. Now we're on my laptop. That's where we're doing this here. So we first update the system, make sure everything's updated, and type this in here. Type in the password. This doesn't take too long. Looks like we're all good for now. Got my text file on the side that has all the different things I need to do. Let's do an upgrade. Okay, looks like everything's good. So now let's install the shell. The copy left a little bit of artifacts here. And that was a quick install. Next up, let's make sure that it's up to date and everything. Also kind of verifies this also there. There, yeah, it's installed good. Capital S or lowercase, let's see. Yeah, just copy and paste. Easier that way. And erase these artifacts here. Now we'll have to reboot or log out and back in. So I'll be back in a second. Okay, we're back. Now we're just going to go through the menu options here. Usually I stick to the defaults a lot of times. So I'll get number 1 here. There, we got those set. Now let's go to number 2. Everything's set. This one, just press E for Emacs. Okay, so we're done with the setup of the ZSH. Now let's install OhmyZSH. First, let's do an echo, make sure that we're actually in the ZSH shell. And we are. Okay, let's get this part started now. And no artifacts, there we go, that's good. Get this next command here. It'll cooperate here. Yeah, the power level 10K theme, that's one that I actually kind of like also. Very customizable. Let's do the next one here. If it'll cooperate. I'm just going to use Nano to get into the settings file. Okay, don't know why I thought the themes were down here. It's way up here. Okay, let's make it so that this one's not active, but still there. And paste that in. Okay, save this. There we go. Got out. So now we just need to restart the... I just want to restart the terminal. Let's do it this way. Okay, now we get to set up the new theme here. So let's zoom this in some. For some reason, Control Plus on the keyboard doesn't really work all that well with this particular interface. There's no diamond. No lock. Kind of an X there. Now this part lets you select the prompt style. I usually go lean on this one, on this part, a lot of times. Usually go Unicode there, and then prompt color. Sometimes I go dark, or sometimes a little bit light. Generally don't want to see the time, so that's not really, I don't need that. Just pick whatever you want in here. Tails, usually I have that flat. Okay, there we go. Press that. There we go. It looks like we're done with this part. Well, that's it for this video, but if you like the video, go ahead and hit like and subscribe, and also consider donating on Patreon. Link will be in the description. You know, basically that keeps the channel going and keeps the videos coming, and I will see you later.